Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Down at Ducati Chelmsford today, going to do an unboxing video on a Streetfighter V4s. Now this guy's going to have a few parts put on this bike today as well. He's having the Akrapovic road legal exhaust, a single seat unit, some carbon parts and some other little extras. So we'll get into the unboxing video and then we'll check out the bike when it's done.
Perfect.
Lovely.
Have a good day, mate. Yeah, thanks very much. Thank you.
Here it is, in the box. Let's have a little peek. Nicely wrapped up. There she's at. Obviously at the minute it's not got the wings on it, so we'll have a little look without them. Have a look at it again with them in a minute. Yeah, just love this bike. Little pack of bits, battery, wings, mirrors and stuff in there. Let's get the wings on the bike. So this Streetfighter's got a few extras going on it. Now put it in, nice and slow. Changing this. So these bolts in here are nice to try and get out and back in. Let's just take the cover off. Exhaust. Right, so that's the cat out. I'm not joking. It's a lot of messing about. So the exhaust that's going on that Streetfighter is the same road legal one that's on the Foggy anniversary bike, which is so nice. Obviously this still has a servo on it for the exhaust valve. Romantic, isn't it? The wings on. Right, so let's have a look at the bike all built with all the extras on it. Mostly Ducati performance parts. So I was just speaking to Earl and he's put this exhaust on here basically because he still wants to travel around Europe and do stuff on the bike, and it being road legal, they're probably going to restrict stuff like that a bit more soon, so he just didn't like the look of the standard one. But yeah, it's definitely an improvement on the standard one. got the single seat unit on it. The Eurotech tail tidy, shortens that down nice. Oh, by the way, guys, bike this is the Earlster. He's got a YouTube channel, so check him out. I'll put a link in the description. Carbon hugger, the carbon fibre battery cover. It's got the Rizoma clutch and brake reservoir bottles, rear brake, carbon fibre mudguard, the Rizoma crash protectors on the forks. This bike's got the heated grips on it as well. Don't know why, because you're going to be hanging on to this thing. That'll keep your hands warm.
That is sexy though, look at that.
It's clever, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at this, heated grips.
You've got the Ducati Performance LED indicators, front and rear. Well, so that's the unboxing and the build done on the bike. I've got to say, it does look better. The single seat unit, it makes the bike look so nice. The exhaust is definitely an improvement on the standard one, the looks and the sound. Still road legal, I think, like in the UK and the US. The guy's going to be doing some touring around Europe and stuff on it, so it's quite important to him. With all the other little touches on the bike, looks really nice. As always, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like. If this is the kind of thing you're into, maybe think about subscribing. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. I guarantee you, this guy's going to love this bike. Cheers. What would you say? What would you say to anyone wanting to change one of these exhausts at home?
Go ahead and do it.
You put your indicator on after. Fuck me.